Welcome to this explainer. Let's see how 2026's AI agents will completely supercharge your business sales.
Here's the kicker. 70% of service teams see real sales returns in just 60 days.
We're way past waiting on clunky chatbots. 2026 AI takes autonomous action to literally drive your growth.
Enter Agentic AI. It continuously monitors and independently crushes complex workflows. Honestly, zero human prompting required.
Take Google Gemini's Spark. It autonomously digs through local PDFs and builds budget spreadsheets for you.
This perfectly shows how agents compress cycle times, handling everything from ad buying to massive supply chains. Adoption is absolutely exploding. Salesforce shows usage jump from 39 to 66% in just 1 year. But get this, first mover advantage. Only 7% of companies run fully autonomous agents today. Jump in.
Now, Forbes warns that scaling fails if you treat these like chatbots. You need real, dedicated architecture.
Which brings up a huge risk. What actually happens to your brand when unmonitored automation goes rogue?
Growth means zilch without security. AvePoint says over 88% of organizations recently faced agent security incidents.
Unconstrained AI is scary. Researchers recently bypassed ChatGPT filters, generating horrific images that would destroy a brand.
Grok even produced explicit images in over half of targeted prompts. Left unmonitored, that's a regulatory nightmare.
So, let's build your moat. To safely capture 2026 growth, you absolutely must deploy strict guardrails.
Customers crave transparency. Explicit boundaries build trust way faster than an agent pretending to know it all.
You also need reflection loops. Make sure your agents plan, act, and test themselves before finalizing outputs.
Governed decisions are the real goal here, projected to be 5 times more trusted and incredibly faster.
So, the final question. Are you ready to securely automate for explosive growth or get left behind?